If you're looking to secure the best hotel rates, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Navan, a powerful tool that can help you get exclusive hotel deals, without the hassle of searching through dozens of booking sites. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take advantage of Navan's features and start saving money on your next hotel stay. Stick around, because we'll also dive into a special offer just for you that lets you try out Navan for free. So stay tuned. Navan is an intuitive software designed to simplify travel bookings. And when it comes to hotels, it's a game changer. Instead of manually comparing rates on multiple platforms, Navan pulls up all the best options tailored to your preferences, with prices that often beat competitors. The secret? It's leveraging advanced algorithms and exclusive deals with hotel chains that aren't available through traditional booking sites. First off, let's talk about how Navan finds the best hotel rates for you. You start by entering your destination, check-in and check-out dates, and any preferences like location or amenities. Navan will give you a list of hotels in the area, but what sets it apart is its ability to search through both public and private pricing options. This includes negotiated corporate rates and discounts that aren't available to the general public, ensuring you get access to the lowest prices possible. One of the biggest advantages of using Navan is its easy-to-use interface. The software automatically filters through thousands of available options to show you the best rates first, instead of spending hours scrolling through different websites. Navan helps you zero in on the perfect hotel in just a few clicks. But there's more. Navan goes beyond just booking hotels. You can also manage your entire trip in one place. Airlines, car rentals, and hotels are all integrated into a single platform. This makes it ideal for business travelers who need a one-stop solution for planning their trips, but it's also a huge time saver for anyone looking to streamline their personal vacations. Another great feature is the cancellation policy flexibility. Many online booking platforms lock you into non-refundable bookings, but with Navan, you have more control over changes. You'll find more flexible cancellation options and can easily adjust your reservation without paying extra fees, which is something we all appreciate when plans change last minute. Now, here's the part you won't want to miss. By using Navan through the first link below, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial. That means you can explore all of Navan's premium features without spending a dime. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a business trip, you'll be able to test drive the platform and see how much it can save you on your hotel bookings. To wrap up, Navan's ability to find the best hotel rates through both exclusive and public pricing is unmatched. With its user-friendly design, flexible cancellation policies, and seamless integration with other travel services, it's clear why so many are turning to Navan to book their stays. Don't forget to click the first link below to take advantage of your free trial. You won't want to miss out on this opportunity to save time and money while booking your next hotel. Give Navan a try today and let me know what you think in the comments.